Okay, now we are testing the tensile strength tester. Now this bolt is A325 and the class is A325M. This size is M16 and the length of 15. Okay, now we do the testing. First, we turning on the clamp, socket clamp. After that, then we turn on the machine, tensile machine. Okay, for this size, we must reach the Okay, let me start. According to the standard, this size M16, the load must bigger than 113 kN. And for the strength length must bigger than 813 MPa par. Now let us see the date up. We can see the line up and up. Okay, now we have got the biggest force, 154. Okay, the test end. Now we put the thread out the clamp. Now we can see, although the bolt is break, but the break on the threading part, not on the head. This is show the strength tester is good. The bolt is good. Let us see this bolt tensile strength reach to 982 MPa and the yield strength is 814. So all is good. This tester is good. Proof pass. Okay.